So on my list today was the comparison between Chat GPT and my AI writer of choice, Scalenut. And I wanted to show the differences between Chat GPT, which is amazing and does so much, and everyone's raving about it, and Scalenut, because what Scalenut does, it doesn't just write the article if you ask it a question. It also can create the full blog article that is SEO optimized. Just very quickly before I show you, what do you think of the news? Look, listen, I know this isn't real green screen, but it's not bad, is it? This is actually done virtual green screen within Medicam. I was just showing you, hang on. I'll show you where I am. I'm still in my, look at this. I'm still abroad. Yeah, I'm still in my Airbnb. But that looks all right, doesn't it? What do you think? Right, the problem, here we go. Comparison. Chat GPT, and this was not set up like this, it's just the way it's been today. Comparison, Chat GPT and Scalenut. Chat GPT is getting too popular for its own good, and it's been showing this all day. I've been trying to get in, refresh the page. I'll probably get in now. Yeah, so if you want to, you try it, there you go, there's their homepage, and victim of their own success and the fact that it's free. Every time I've been trying to get onto it for a day or two now, high demand, and you simply can't get in. So I can't really compare ChatGPT, and it is great. I mean, I was using ChatGPT yesterday. I said hashtags for TikTok on crypto for my new channel, and it came up with them. So yeah, and even people are talking about how it's programming bots and stuff. It's incredible now how it learns from you, but it is not an AI writer. Oops, I wasn't going to show you that, but I'll leave it in there. As you see, I actually subscribe. All right, to Scalenut. There you go, my next subscription. But this is Scalenut. What do I use Scalenut for? Just about everything. And I am not into cheating. I'm not into completely blagging articles, but I am into saving time, and I am into getting help when I've got writer's block, which happens quite a bit, especially when you've got a lot of things on the go. And one of the most, I'll just make myself a bit bigger. I'm just messing about with the new set. One of the things that I struggle with is the time. Trying to record a video and then trying to write a description. Trying to post a new blog article, and I don't do that many, but then trying to, do the text and the words. So this is Scalenut AI. Obviously, is it on now? I'll just see if it's on. So I can't compare it. And I wanted to show you, and what I've done is that I've said, write an article, the same thing in Chat GPT as I have in Scalenut. All right, so today we're going to have a play with it, and we will write a YouTube description. And guess what I'm going to do? You've guessed it. So I'll scroll through. These are So when you use Scalenut, or most of these AI writers, the reason Scalenut I think is a little bit better, it's got I can't use the it's got a Chrome plugin. Jasper's got a Chrome plugin as well. So literally a little icon appears when you're on every page apart from the Scalenut page, and you can actually use Scalenut within anything, Facebook, YouTube, a blog, and it'll just write for you. And also it's got a WordPress plugin, so you can write a blog article and post it straight to your site. But these are it's got the cruise mode where you can write full blog articles. But these are the templates, and I just basically want to do a video description. All right, so guess what we're going to do in this? The video description is going to be, we compare Scalenut AI writer to Chat GPT, explaining the extra functionality of Scalenut. All right, maybe we're giving it a bit of a biased AI. And we click generate. Okay, so there you go. And these are not written. These are not. Let me explain that this has not been written by Scalenut, who are fighting the corner for Scalenut. No. So these are the video descriptions it's come out with. In this video, we compare the features of Scalenut AI Writer and ChatGPT. We go over the extra functionality of Scalenut AI Writer and explain why it's the better option than ChatGPT. In this video, we will be comparing Scalenut AI Writer to Chat GPT. We'll be explaining the extra function. So these are great. So there we go. Add to the editor. Hi, everyone. Hello, everyone. And a less formal one. Yeah. You see, all good. But which is the best one? I think it's for one of these two. Let's go. Add that one to the editor. Okay. Are we happy with that? We want to write some more. So that's our first line in the video description for the YouTube article. We can have connectors. So first I could just click write. I'll show you some examples of this. First we can click write. It'll just think of something to write and it'll keep on writing. But it's a bit more a stab in the dark. Okay, that's fine, isn't it? See what it's written? That's just by me clicking write with nothing. I can type a couple of words and tell it to instruct. So I can type Scalenut AI offers more. Okay, and now we type instruct. So what Scalenut will do, it will recognize that and it will continue writing. Instruct. It's thinking. Perfect answer. Scalenut offers more customization options than Chat GPT. For example, you can create custom templates to control the output. You can also use okay, so that is the right. Let's try something else. I want to continue. So and again, I'm not trying to. You couldn't do any of this within Chat GPT. So connectors. So say I was writing, I mean, this is just for my video description, but quite often you're writing a full article and I want to write something in the middle. So I go, and these are the connecting words. What's more, furthermore, and so I want what's more, and that'll be the first word. We show how Scalenut can help you with your content and marketing efforts. All right. Scalenut is a SEO expert. And we instruct it to continue. It's thinking system that can help create content that is optimized for search engines. Do you see how this is helping me out? So if I was writing an article and I was having a bit of a go slow day, if I do it within Scalenut, it can just help me fill words and fill sentences. In a way, that's the most useful tool. And sometimes it comes out with something that's not quite right, but in general, it saves so much time. Right, so I've written my article, and then I'm going to use the connector words. So I'm going to go in conclusion. So in summary, all right, it's a bit of a short paragraph, but in conclusion, we highly recommend Scalenut Writer for anyone looking for a content writing tool. And that is my YouTube description. I can change it about. So I'm just showing you this quickly, really. Imagine the power of it. Now, if you have a look back through my videos, I'll do it again, where I can create a fully optimized SEO article. So it will come up with the top. You've probably seen it where, you've probably seen it in other programs rather, where there'll be software that will work out the top 10 listings in Google for a certain search word or keyword. And then it'll give you the score and tell you how many words you need to add and how many of this word. That's what Scalenut does as well, but it can use AI to put them into the article automatically. So you're just literally clicking buttons to add to the article. I will probably do a refresh of that and write a full article with it. So you've done that. What else can you do in Scalenut? You can obviously add pictures into the article. So use their stock images. These are all free, or upload images from the computer. This is more of you creating a blog, and you can add your links into the article. So you can really create the full thing within Scalenut. And then when you've finished your article, where is it? If it was a full blog article, I'll just have to double check. I've still got this set up. But if I press WordPress Publisher, it will automatically link with my WordPress site. So yes, it still is. So there's my Phil's Deals website. There's the offer. Okay. New document slug. I can add the featured image into the article. There's all the articles from my website. And I can schedule the post automatically to appear on my WordPress site. Obviously, I'm not going to do that. I use it for a YouTube description. But you can see how cool that is. And while we're on, I will just finally show you this other feature of Scalenut. So let's go to YouTube. Right, so I am on a article. Let's just take this Sweet Dash one, and I highlight some of this article with it. So this is within YouTube, not opening Scalenut. You can see that up pops my little Scalenut dots there. All right, if I click on that, I can use the Scalenut functionality within YouTube. So I can ask some engaging questions. We don't know if it's going to work this now. There's probably not enough text here to ask some. All right. Well, actually, what are some of the features that make Sweet Dash stand out from the competition? So let's have a play with this. What are the limited issues? What are the types of businesses? Right. So insert. Insert. So I've messed up a little bit here. Hang on. Get rid of them. I know this is going off on a tangent, but I think you'll find it interesting. So there we go. We've got the 3 questions there. What are some of the... So I've got my question. Let's just see if it'll answer it. What are the features that make Sweet Dash stand out from the competition? On the icon, I'm sure you can put answer. Simplify, complete, rephrase, templates. Is there an answer? I think there was an answer one. Answer a question. Imagine how good this is. Do you see what I mean? Sweet Dash and all-in-one business planning, customer dashboard, Sweet Dash for automated billing. Yeah. Extensive. Wow. Oh, gosh. So I mean, if I wanted to, I don't have to do that. I could just have clicked the copy button. Oh, where's it gone now? Sorry, I've not used it for a couple of days. Oh, it's already pasted it. So, do you see the power of that? Yes. Wow. All right, I think that's it. That is a longer video than I thought I was going to do. Every time I use Scalenut, I kick myself. I don't use it more often. I use it... I probably use it 3 or 4 times a week, but there's a lot more I could use it for. I use it to help me out when I'm having a word block day. Just to let you know, I'll put the link in the description. Scalenut it's got a big launch of something. We don't know what. And it's coming up first couple of days in February. So they're bringing out some new technology. And they're really singing that they are, Chat GPT's all right, but look what we can do. And I'm sure you'll agree. So that's Scalenut. That was interesting, wasn't it? I like that. Tell me what you think about it. And I will get that video posted now, fully AI'd up. Cheers, everyone. I've got to come out and say something. So yeah, Scalenut, I like it a lot, and it's not expensive. It's a decent price. I think if you go through my link, and I'll post it, you get 10% off or something if you go through the link in the description. It is not the crazy money that some of the AI writers are, and for what it offers you, I'd say it's really worth it. All right, everybody, thanks very much. I will see you soon with more reviews. Let's just check if Chat GPT is available again. Hang on. Let's just double check. Let's give it a refresh. It might be on now. It's still not there, you see. Victim of its own success. They'll be charging soon.